Hello, Namaste. My name is Sunita. This time I am here with a new Python program where I am using the hotel booking data set. Is a hotel booking where we analyze the data, the how it work in hotel booking. So first we have installed these library. These all are library. You are familiar with all these library. The one library is something different because there is in this data set there is a column where is so many countries name and also mentioned by the nickname like India. We see the IND like this. There are is a column with a nickname. So that's why I'm because the is a country is a categorical data. So it is good for us that if we use this library. So that's why I'm using this library. First, I install upload the data. So these are the data. There is it's it show the 5 rows as we know that DF had to show the first top 5 rows and tail also show the last 5 rows. So I am using the head. So it show the first 5 rows and 32 columns. This data set I also mentioned the in my description box, as well as if you want that you go to the Kaggle. There is Kaggle has the data set in hotel booking. You can also import the data using the Kaggle. Then I am using the df.describe. We know that describe it show the static variable. The is a count, unique value, top, and frequencies. Also show the describe the value, and these are all are these columns are the objective type because I have include the objective type. Also is show the all objective type also. Then information that it give the how df.info show the column is objective type, int type, float type like this, and the shape it show the how many rows and columns are there. Then I am using the data pre-processing where I am make a copy. You can say there is a carbon copy because if I change my data, so it not reflect to my original data. That's why I am using the df is my original variable name and df.copy is my other. I make a other copy, so original data is not affected. Then I am using the null value. How much null value are there in my data set? So there is a country have data and adult also. Sorry, children also have four null value. Country have and agent and company. There are the four columns are have null value. Now I am using that if agent and company has null value, lot of null value, so it's filled by the zero. So I give the command and fill by last I have given the zero. Same thing is the country. Country also have. Now children have only four value, so I have children give the mean value. Mean matlab it calculate the upper value then give the value in that four columns. Now it show the check the value if adult and babies or children has null value equal to 0, so it give the there is something different output, because it show the it skip the because the babies and children have null value, and adult have no any null value. I am showing you. This is the adult have no any value. It show only not it did not show the adult and baby's value. If I go to top, then there is also that my it show you data set that there is a adult have no any uh, zero value, but children and babies has zero value, but it not show in my this output. It skip the zero value columns and show only which is not zero values. Next, then if I also show you that if give the df dot adult, you can also use all this, you can understand easily. Now next, I drop the zero. Where is the zero value? It drop. Remove the values. There we know how is my data set data types is. It show the object, all are object type, int type, object type, float type, like this. Now I want to show the cancel is any cancel value. So it graph show that there is only 10% value which is cancel. 10% value is cancel. Now I want to see that is equal to 0. How much value is which is equal to 0? 0 means that is not cancel, and 1 means it's cancel, value is cancel. So it show the total that 75011 is you can say that is a booking value. It's not cancel. Is when there is a one, that it means that is cancel value. It's count the value how much you cancel value that and not cancel value. 0, it's mean there are 6 to 9 3264 is a booking value, is not cancel, and this one is the cancel value, and data types is float. Now I see the you also all clear this plot. I'm using the bar plots, so I give the so there is not cancel, and this is the cancel value. So you also see that what is the status of cancel or not cancel value by using the bar graph. Also it also show the value. It's also clear all this. How much value is cancel. Restore is a blue is a resort, and yellow, this is the hotel types, city hotel. So zero, sorry, zero is blue, is zero, is a resource, and this and one is so and zero is a one is a, sorry, zero is a blue, and one is a yellow, and type. It means that there is a zero is a is not cancel, and this is the cancel value. So very in city hotel there is a lot amount, lot of uh, cancel value is yellow types, but in resort there is a very less person, customer who cancel the booking. But in city hotel there is mostly most of the people have cancelled the value, sorry, I'll have cancelled the booking. Now I want to see the how many I have take the resort is a variable, is a take a new variable, and this is my date original variable name df. So I want to see that how many resource hotel are there. So there is a 40047. Now I want to see the values. So there is same values are there. Cancel is a booking value is a zero is a booking value, and one is cancel value. Same thing is I have now it's give the ADR. I also now I'm using the group by function. The group by function, we want to see the reservation status date with ADR. ADR means average daily ratio. I want to see the average daily ratio in in resort hotel. So it's give the date wise, that first there is no, and 2015 there is 61.9 something are there using by the group bioform. Now next same thing I want to see the city hotel. So there are city hotels are there, 79160 city hotels are more in compared to resorts. Then same thing I am using the group by to see the average daily ratio by using the date. So it's give the 864. So now now I am using the plot in use resource in comparing by these plot the how how much the super booking in resorts or city hospital, sorry, city hotel. So there is a graph where is a blue line is showing the resorts, and yellow is a city or hotel. So we see the average is resource average is very much better than city hotel. So the people prefers the resort instead of city hotel. now I am want to use the column market segment. Market segment like a main point is to how long term marketing plan is working. So it's show the online offline is a key of we can say that it's the marketing segment is the key of any long term marketing plan, and group wire then director cooperative. So all these this is the program where I explain the some uh, explain them. I also explain or clear the many things. So hope that you like it. If you like it, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you.